Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. If you are a JetBrains user, so basically I'm talking here about Charm, WebStorm, GoLand, or even Android Studio. Cloud Code integrates through a dedicated plugin. Unlike the VS Code extension, the JetBrains plugin runs the Cloud Code like in your IDE's integrated terminal and opens proposed changes in the IDE's native dev viewer. So the plugin does not handle its own copy of the fly, so you need to install both pieces. It works with any paid cloud subscription, Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise, and no API key is required. So here is exactly how to set it up. First at first, install the Cloud Code fly. Open a terminal and run npm install. Then you have basically to tap the whole code for the installation. The plugin will show a current launch code notification if Claude isn't on your patch, or if you installed it globally, it should be. Then install the JetBrains plugin. Open your JetBrains IDE, go to settings, preferences, plugins, then marketplace. Or you can easily go to the Claude product page, all the way to JetBrains here. Then you will be able to see many options. We're gonna go accept all. Then you have this code called beta, tap on get. So you're gonna go and get it from the JetBrains marketplace. Basically, that's the main idea here. However, then you have to configure the client path, launch, load code, verify the connection, configure the MCP server, and all of that. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.